In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use the skin smoothing neural filter in Photoshop, step by step. First, let's make this layer to Smart Filter for non-destructive editing. This filter is perfect for portrait retouching. It helps you smooth the skin, remove small blemishes, and make the face look naturally soft without losing details like eyes or lips. It uses Adobe Sensei artificial intelligence to detect faces automatically and smooth out imperfections instantly. Instead of manually retouching with the healing brush or frequency separation, this tool can do the hard work in seconds. Now you'll see two main sliders, blur and smoothness. Let's understand how they work. Blur slider. The blur slider controls how much overall softening is applied to the skin. Moving it to the right increases the smoothness by blurring out fine skin texture, pimples, or pores. But be careful. Too much blur can make the face look plastic or fake. Smoothness slider. The smoothness slider controls how evenly the smoothing effect is applied across different areas of the face. When you increase it, Photoshop blends the skin tones more evenly, giving a polished and soft look. But again, subtlety is key. You'll notice how the skin looks smoother and more refined. Once you're happy with the result, click OK to apply it and see the changes. Since we're using a smart filter, you can easily turn the effect on or off, or even edit it anytime. But honestly, this isn't the best method for skin smoothing because it tends to blur the entire skin, which doesn't look very natural. So, let me show you the best way to use this filter. First, apply the skin smoothing filter and set the output to a new layer. Now, take a look at the result. We've got the effect on a separate layer, which gives us more control. Next, go to Layer, Layer Mask, Hide All, and Photoshop will add a black mask to hide the effect completely. Then, select the brush tool and set your foreground color to white. Choose a soft brush. Adjust the size. Now, gently paint over the areas you want to smooth. And this way, you can control exactly where the effect appears for a much more natural and professional result. And that's how you can use the skin smoothing neural filter in Photoshop to get perfect, natural looking portraits in just a few clicks.